in here.
There we go.
Oh, this is my feet in the mud.
It's cold! Oh my god, it's freezing. How can you stand in it? You have bare feet as well. I've got tights on.
I'm not pussy. We're going to go in the pond now to wash off my feet.
Woo!
Where's the dirt?
Oh, I've got mud, like, all on my foot. Look at that, big dollop of it.
Look at me. Look at my feet, Chloe. Look at my feet.
Oh my god. I don't want to get mud on my clothes.
Me neither. This is Hannah's cardigan.
Yeah, because if you drop them, they'll like sink. Oh, we're gonna go. Imagine going right in the middle of that.
What if you pop a deep and fall over?
We're dead. Okay, I'm gonna stop it now. I'm gonna just. You go on.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, go on, jump in.
Yes.
I'd hold on to the fence if I were you.
It's like all gooey, like, there's storms in there.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, I was gonna say, isn't it cold? Oh my god.
Oh my god, that really hurts. That's so deep. We need to find a shallow one.
I'm gonna stop it.